Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Jamison, and this is how I cook. Before we get into our recipe and into our video, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It'll help you know when I post new videos and recipes to this channel. Today is Mixology Monday, and I'm going to show you how I make a lemon drop martini. In this case, it's a peach lemon drop martini. So we have our Ciroc Peach. That's our vodka that we're going to use. If you want to just make a regular lemon drop, just use regular vodka, unflavored vodka. We've got some Cointreau here. This is going to help give us a nice, smooth citrus finish. We've got our shaker full of ice. We've got our martini glass, and we've got some homemade simple syrup. I'll put the recipe for that down below as well. And we've got a lemon. All right, first thing we did was we filled our shaker full of ice. Next thing we're going to do is use the juice of one lemon. With cocktails, you drink a cocktail and you taste it two ways. You taste it first with your sense of smell, and you taste it secondly with your sense of taste. The juice of the lemon, it is going to flavor the cocktail, but most importantly, we're getting the oils out of the rind of the lemon as we squeeze it into our shaker. And that is going to add this beautiful aroma of lemon to the cocktail, so that right before you drink it, you're going to get a beautiful scent of lemon in your cocktail. Next, we'll add some simple syrup. I'm going to put about a half an ounce of simple syrup in here. Next, we're going to put in our Ciroc. This is our Ciroc Peach. I'm going to put in about 2 ounces. And then finally, we're going to put in our Cointreau. And this will give us, like I said, a nice, even finish to the cocktail here. So I'm only going to put in about 0.75 ounces. And we got to give this a good, shake. Take our garnish. All this is a slice of lemon cut in half with a little slit. We're gonna pour our cocktail. This is enough for really one peach lemon drop martini. But if you're feeling generous, you can split it in half with somebody. And that is my peach lemon drop. Let's see what we got. Oh, man. Every time I make this, I'm just blown away by how simple it is, but at the same time, how complex the flavors are. You've got this beautiful hint of peach and fruit from the Ciroc Peach. Then you've got this beautiful, even blend of citrus, just a little hint of tartness from the lemon, the fresh lemon juice and the fresh lemon oils, and the Cointreau. But then you've got this beautiful aroma of just beautiful lemon that you pick up time you smell it. Plus with the garnish, the lemon garnish, and then the homemade simple syrup, you can't beat it. That is my peach lemon drop martini. Guys, thank you again for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications. That way you get the newest videos and recipes when I drop them on this channel. This is how I cook. I'm Jamison, and once again, thank you for watching this show.